Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Yes, the hair, I know. But this week on the channel, with 4th of July right around the corner, it's a prime time of season for a backyard barbecue, and you are in the right spot today because I'm going to show you how to make a delicious garlic Wagyu burger. We're going to smoke this burger on the Pit Boss Savannah Onyx edition. We're going to make a delicious little garlic aioli for it, and we're going to toast a bun. Going to add some delicious fresh ingredients to it, and I can't wait for you to see it. I can't wait to try it. So let's get started. All right, today we are starting with 2 pounds of ground Wagyu beef. Why Wagyu? Because, well, it's delicious. And this ground Wagyu is gonna make such a fantastic burger because of that fat content. To that delicious Wagyu, we add 2 eggs and about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. And now we just use our hand. We go in there and just mix it up just enough to get everything mixed. Now you'll notice I did not use any seasoning yet on this, and that's because, well, that's coming. All right, that's mixed. All right, that's mixed together nicely. We'll set this aside. And in comes my Pit Boss burger press. This thing is amazing for creating uniform, beautiful burgers every single time. So I'll go ahead and take this out. Take our meat mixture here, right in there. Now if you don't have a burger press, not the end of the world. Just try to make your patties kind of like, uniform looking, same size, so that they kind of cook evenly. Now we'll take our lid here and we'll just press, and that's going to just make sure it spreads evenly. We'll take this off. Now we'll flip it over and remove the lid. Just like that, perfectly sized burger. All right, let's go ahead and do the rest of these, exact same process. Okay, and there we have it. I made 5 Wagyu burgers out of 2 pounds of ground meat. And now comes the seasoning. I want to do a heavy seasoning on these because I really want a nice crust on these burgers. And for that, I'm using the Pit Boss smoky salt and cracked pepper seasoning. Wow, is this going to be good. It's going to add a little bit of depth to it because this has smoked salt in it. You can smoke salt, believe it or not. And it's going to add just a tremendous texture. So we'll just come right on top of these burgers here, just like so. This burger mixture is already moist enough, so your seasoning's not going to have trouble sticking to it. All right, and now gently, we're going to flip each burger over. And we'll get these other sides too. All right, and I'm gonna transfer these indoors to the fridge to just let them firm up a little bit, and then we'll be back out to take our next step. As I mentioned, today I am smoking these burgers on the incredible Pit Boss Savannah Onyx edition. This is available exclusively at Walmart, like all of their new Onyx edition pellet grills. Smoking today using the Pit Boss Hickory Blend pellets, which are perfect for burgers. Really, really, really nice. And we are smoking today at a temperature of 250 degrees Fahrenheit. That's gonna allow the burgers a little bit of time on there to really soak up some smoke. And then right at the end, we're gonna open the sear burner for a nice char on both sides. It's as simple as that. So I'm gonna go grab those burgers from inside. They've been in the fridge for about a half hour, and go ahead and put them on. All right, 250 degrees. And just like that, right on that rack. That'll make it easier to transport. So we'll close this up. I'll check on them in about a half hour or so, just kind of see where we are. Before we check back in on them, we're gonna make a really simple, really delicious homemade garlic aioli. So let's close up the Savannah and make that aioli now. All right, we're gonna make a super, super simple garlic aioli. We're gonna start with garlic paste. I love this stuff. It's so much more convenient than crushing garlic, and it's very, very delicious and really, really easy for this recipe. So we'll add about that much. Next we go in with our Kewpie Japanese mayo, which is the best mayo. Then the juice of a half of a lime. Let's give it a little bit of citrus. And then to that, guess what goes in next? The same seasoning that we used on our burgers. Just about that much. And we mix that up. Give it a little taste. Oh, holy smokes. Oh man, that is good. Okay, back in the fridge with this until we're ready to use it and we're ready to bring those burgers off. All right, it's been about a half an hour. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that. Pay no attention to the magnificently delicious smoked mac and cheese. These burgers look great, and now they are ready for a good sear. So we'll just turn this over here. Open up that sear plate. And now with that flame exposed in there, it'll allow these grates to really get piping hot. And now that our grates are nice and hot, we will sear. About a minute per side. Oh, you can really smell that pepper rub on there. Oh, it smells so good. All right, let's go ahead and give it a flip. Take a look at the other side. At this point, we will take our American cheese right on top. And at this same time, I'm gonna take a buttered bun, toss that on there. And for the purposes of the video, we'll go ahead and take this one off and assemble it, show you what it looks like, and I'll come back to these a little later. All right, let's build this incredible burger. We start with our beautiful buttery toasted bun. Then remember this, our homemade garlic aioli. It smells really, really, really good. And then on with that delicious Wagyu patty. Next, some absolutely fresh, beautiful butter crunch lettuce. Picked right from the garden, by the way. And of course, we gotta have a gorgeous tomato. Now, a lot of times I like to season the tomato with just a little bit of salt. Today I'm gonna season it with a little more garlic aioli. Yeah, look at that. And then it's our beautiful toasted top bun. And there you have it. Wow, what a beautiful burger. Oh my gosh. And the smell, woo-hoo, it smells insane. All right, now before I try this delicious burger, I have to tell you that this incredible ground Wagyu came from Strip District Meats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, the best butcher shop you will find anywhere. They've got everything from traditional cuts of beef to this like wild game stuff. They got python, they got alligator, they've got all kinds of different things, and they will ship it directly to you if you go to stripdistrictmeats.com and just order online. But for now, it's time to get into this burger. Here we go. Oh, it looks so good. It's time to take a bite. Here we go, smoked Wagyu garlic burger. Oh man, flavor, the pepper, that pepper rub, the smoke, the aioli, holy smokes, this is insanely good. Well hey, try a burger like this for the 4th of July. Why just stick with the same old ketchup, mustard, pickle, whatever? Switch it up a little bit. You're gonna love this. And whether it's the 4th of July barbecue or really any time of year, this is a great burger to make. Well, thank you so much for tuning in once again to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click the thumbs up. That's gonna help people find it. That's gonna really, really help us out. So make sure you click that thumbs up to give us a like. And listen, if you thought this looked delicious, check out one of these other 2 burgers that we've done here on the channel. I love smoked burgers. You've gotta try a smoked burger if you've never had one before. They're incredible, and I'll see you next time.